Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about my favorite earplugs to use, Vibes.
What I really love about them is that Vibes lower the volume of my environment, but they still allow me to hear clearly and communicate with ones around me. Unlike having a foam earplug, they never muffle the sound, so they let me still carry on a conversation. And because the design is invisible, honestly, no one even knows that they're there. I love that they let me keep a low profile. With the minimalist design and the clear outer sound tube, they're designed to be easily accessible, but they're honestly virtually invisible. They come in 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, and so you can actually put them together quite easily and replace them when needed. They're also very portable. So the hard carrying case that they come in, I just have found so convenient, and it's very small and very discreet. I can slip them in the pocket of my jeans. No one would even notice that they're there. And even just popping them in my purse, they just don't take up any room at all. And that means they'll always be with me, so they're available to use, even if I wasn't expecting to pull them out on a certain day.
And that's my point of view.